Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated and cooled seats, spray-out bed liner, power sliding sunroof, drive mode selector, Z71 package, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this black interior with paneling couple with storage at the bottom. Equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors and windows with the seat memory and wooden chrome accents. Here we're going to have these leather heated and cooled seats, power adjustable, super nice. And left side will be your vents, as well as your lighting, drive mode selector, and 2 and 4 wheel. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2. Paddle shifters right behind. And on the odometer, you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, gauges, adaptive cruise, as well as your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings. It's going to be push to start, and on to the infotainment, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as the parallel mirror cams. You also got built-in Wi-Fi hotspot with access to My Chevrolet. Down below will be your lane keep assist, park assist, and auto stop, and hill descent control, part of the Z71 package. And right next to your integrated brake controller, here's your dual zone climate control with 2 USB ports on the side. Center console, on the new shifter, as well as a wireless charger pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall port. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, wooden chrome all the way across, speakers and vents up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your power sliding sunroof. So you're going to have these 20-inch aluminum wheels on Goodyear Trail Runner all-terrain tires. You're going to have the Z71 badging, chromed mirror caps, and keyless entry door handles. You come into the back, you got the chrome corner step bumper with dual exhaust, trailer hitched fifth wheel just under with those Rancho shocks. Of course, you got the bed liner here with 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall port and around 12 bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, again, more paneling and storage next to the speaker, power window. Quite a bit of lots of leg room there, actually. Passenger and driver side, as well as you're going to have rear cup holders, rear heated seating, USB ports and vents, cup holder and armrest right in the center, as well as storage behind the seats and storage under, with a power rear sliding window, lamps up top, and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we check out this 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. Equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as heated and cooled leather seats, Z71 package, power sliding sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.